Hey guys, it's me, Eileen, here. I'm Andrea's sister, and this is an update on our kittens. The other one just ran away. This is Halloween. She has gotten bigger, and yeah, and she just ran away. And I got the other one, White Sox, right here. They are pretty big now. Since the last time we showed you them, and they are such a pain because I'm the only one taking care of them currently. And right now I'm watching a movie, so that's what you hear in the background if you can hear it. I am not sure completely if you can hear it or not. Yeah, you can. Okay, anyways, I wanted to update you on the cats, and yeah, school. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. I'm checking up on my puppy. Okay, I gotta get going, and yeah, kind of make a quick video just to show you the cats. Okay,